What is up, guys? Yes. Hey, I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys how to code with AI. All right, and so here's what we're going to do today on this little call, just on this live coding call, this live coding training. I'm going to create a text-to-speech app using a software called My AI Team. So if you guys don't know, my name is Jeff Caldwell. I have created My AI Team, and that is going to be the software that we use to code up this entire little app. All right, so if you guys are watching the replay, what is up? And if you guys are here live, I see a couple of you guys here live. What up, guys? All right, if you guys are here live, we are going to be coding up a text to audio. So anyone could like insert in there like text and instantly get out like an audio script for that. Okay. Do you guys want to see this live? Do you guys want to see AI code this really fast? Let me know in the comments. Here's what I'm going to do is I am going to put this window over here in the left. Because a lot of times I can't see my comments. All right, but this time I'm going to make it where I can see my comments. So if you guys are watching live, holla, let me know that you guys are here, right? Because basically, like, you guys are like who I'm building this for, right? So here's what we're going to do is I'm going to share my tab, and I am going to share my screen. And here we go. Boom. We have I'm just going to share my entire window. All right, so first what we're going to do, we're going to go over to myaiteam.com. And here's what we're going to do is myaiteam.com, okay? You guys can see I was making some dinosaurs. What's up? All right, inside myaiteam.com, you could see over here, it's called the AI snippets. All right, so AI snippets. All right, and one of the things, let me know if you guys have coded any AI snippets. And what we're going to do is I'm going to hit create snippet, and I'm going to say I want to, here's what I want to do. I'm going to go over into OpenAI, right? And so I'm going to go into OpenAI, and I'm going to go into their text to speech model. All right, and here's what's cool is I'm just going to like, like this is cool and all. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this little instructions. All right, this little here. And I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to say, I'm going to close that one. I'm going to say, I want to create a text to speech software that uses this API. Okay. And make it look beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. All right. And then I just paste in the instructions from OpenAI. Okay. And so here's what it's going to do. It's actually, you see right here where it says writing code, right? The AI is actually going to be writing the code for us. We don't have to know how to write code. It's going to write us, and then it's going to open up a new little pop-up like window for us. All right. And here's what's cool. All right. Speech, insert text, our little drop down. Nice. We have all our voices. And then we have convert. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say give the user a place to add their open AI API key, and make sure it's hidden like a password, so no one can see it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. If you guys didn't know, right here, if I hit view code, this is all the code that the AI just wrote for us. All right, like this is the entire code. Well, now we could update it right up here. So I can hit generate, and the AI is going to update this code for us. Okay, so we could fully update this code while we are doing something else. Grab some coffee, whatever. All right, so it says your OpenAI API key. If I type it in, you can see the passwords are there, right? So now I'm going to test this, and I'm going to grab my my API key, right? And so I'm going to grab this in a second as soon as it loads. All right, I'm going to grab this, and I am going to paste my OpenAI key, and I'm going to say test. Right? And I'm going to hit convert, test. Let's go. All right. So instantly we have this. I could hit download. Let's go. That's freaking legend. Okay. So Now we want to have all these different voices. Convert, echo, nice, fable, convert, test. All right, let's get some better messages. All right, so we have it where it could say test, super cool. Test. This is actually, here's what I'm gonna do. I have a script that I want to add. I have chat, I have a script, and I'm just gonna copy this giant script in here and we're gonna test this, okay? So I'm gonna hit convert and we're gonna see what happens. All right, that's the old one. Let's see if it makes the new one in a second. I think I should have some type of loading or some type of thing whenever it's converting. You know what I mean? Any second now. All right, I wonder what happened. Convert. Oh, there we go. That's what's up. Okay. Okay. I dig it. You dig it, Joey? That's what's up, man. All right. Well, I wonder what the limit is for this. Okay. I'm going to hit save. All right, cool. I'm going to hit refresh and save. All right. So here's what I'm going to do is text to speech. All right. So now we have this. Well, what else can we do with this? Okay. So we have text to speech, voice options, supported output formats. I mean, we could offer output formats. Streaming, it streams. That's pretty much what this offers, text to speech. Okay. So I don't really else know what to do with this. Do you guys have any ideas what you would want to do with this? What about you, Joey? What else would you do with this if you wanted to make this a thing? Well, I mean, I guess it needs to be stylized. Can you remove the blue and stylize this? Style this way better. This way better. All right. Has a modern day software. All right. Make it super easy to understand what to do. All right, cool. Generate. All right, so the AI is coding that. Super cool. Super cool. Let's see. All right, I like it. It's green. I mean, I guess I kind of like green. That's better. I mean, like, can you remove the blue? Remove the blue. Can you remove the color? The color. All right. All right, let's try it. All right, so it's just literally going to update the code. You know what I mean? So it's pretty cool. I dig this thing. All right, so it's going to remove the color. Much cleaner. Save code. Let's see what else. Can you give some type of loading indicator after the user presses the button? All right, super cool. We'll have that do that. Supported languages. All right, I really don't know what else to do up in this thing. You know, I had a buddy that kind of did something cool today. I wonder if I can use his for any inspiration. Key, model, voice, file name, input text. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. You know what I mean? Like that's pretty simple. All right. I think what I'll do is make it where, all right, can you make it locally save the user's past generations and API key? All right, API if they refresh the page. Refresh the page. All right, cool. I'm digging it. All right, does anybody have another tool that they want me to code after this? Right, I'll like end this live in a few seconds, and then I'll just pop up on a new live, and we shall make a new little software tool. So does anybody have an idea of something you guys want to make? All right, so now we hit save. Let's try this. Let me grab my code. Boom. This. Paste here. This is super fun. Okay, convert. Nice. Convert another one. Oh, look, we have a little loading bar. That's cool. How about a shimmer sound? Okay, I like it. I like it. All right, Onyx is like a man voice. Okay, every time you press it, it's something new. Interesting. All right, cool. Well, if I have like, say, a large text again, so like copy this, will it like sit here and load? Let's check. Paste, convert. Cool, we have a little loading bar. Nice. That stops me from sitting there pressing the button. All right, so now we have this text-to-speech software. Do you guys want to see how to add this into your guys' like own website or anything like that? Or does anyone want to try this thing for free? Like, what's up? What's up? What you guys feel? I got 6 of you on here live. Anyone want to try it? All right. Oh, man. All right. Yeah. All right, cool. So now we have an audio converter, a little text to speech. I think that's helpful. If I hit refresh, let's see what happens. Will it save my stuff? Please. Woohoo. Yeah. All right, cool. So it saves my stuff. I dig it. What else? I think that's pretty much it that I could think of for this software. I mean, unless I want to actually embed it into my site. Okay, so if you guys want to see how to, I'm going to say give each input a nice text label. Okay, and right, generate. All right, and we can actually watch what happens live to the code, right? So you can see right here, here's all the code. All right, and then now we have our little thing. Cool. All right, we can say, let's see, what else do we want to say? Give each table list. Okay, I'm going to say, let's see, what else? I'm going to say, make the window, the whole window, whole frame about 80% of the view. No, I would say about let's see, about 75% of the screen size. Okay. Now we'll have this. Here's what we could do, right? So I could go to something like called Aspire Builder, right? That's what I like to use. You guys could go to something like Aspire Builder, and here was really cool is you guys can actually take this code and you could embed it onto a, right? So if I add like a code widget right here, I'll just add one of these codes and I'll click and drag a code widget right here. And you can see we can edit this input code right here. So now I'll go into our code generator. over here in a second now. All right, cool. Look, this looks really freaking good. All right, I go into here, and here's what we could do. One is I could grab this view code, and I could copy this code, and I could add it to my site. Or two, if I ever wanted to like update this and use this regularly, I could copy this. And one of my little snippets, right, is called an iframe creator. So let's see, where is the iframe creator? iframe. All right, so I go to iframe builder and I could view this, right? Because I have the AI code in an iframe builder. All right, and now we have an iframe that we can embed into this, right? So I could enter my URL, right? And I can hit create iframe, and this will literally iframe this thing into here, okay? So this iframe to here, I'm gonna say 100%, and height, let's do 600. All right, create iframe. Border has like one solid color of the border. I'm going to say give the user a ton of custom CSS options for the frame. Okay. And then that will just kind of update our iframe creator. Because sometimes you want custom CSS on your iframe and sometimes you don't. In this case, I don't. So this is going to give my border color. Iframe here, width 100%, height, let's do 600, and create iframe. All right, border color solid. Pretty sure it has no color. All right, so now I'm going to copy this, and if I go into Aspire Builder, well, you guys can see I could paste this iframe in now, and let's see, that put it like right in the middle. So let's see this. Bring this down in my footer. Bring that back up. I actually probably want to add this to its own page, but all right, so I could click on this, edit code. This has width and height, perfect. And I can edit that to make it full size. All right, and now I get a preview. And you can see I have I have this, which is something else, and then I have our little iframe down here. All right, so you can see here is our little text-to-speech generator. Okay. So we have our little, how cool is this, right? So you could embed this onto any of your guys' websites. So I'm going to make this where it's a little bit bigger so it doesn't have this like scrolly box. Height, let's do 900, okay? And bring this box way down. Boom. All right. Probably let's do 1,000. All right, hopefully that gets rid of that scrolly box. All right, cool. And we can make this wider. How about if I got rid of this single stroke? Here's the cool thing is over time you start to know code. So I'm going to hit code, and I'm just going to get rid of this little style border solid. Bam. Hopefully that worked. Nope. Yep. Score. All right, cool. So now I can hit preview, and we have a little text-to-speech generator, right? This could be like embedded into a membership area, free product. This could be anything, right? So, and now it's right inside your guys' website. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this, if I was to create a page, right, I could call this right page, and I'll just create it. Let's do like a landing page with a nice header, right? So I like this one. All right, so I'm going to say free AI text to audio, okay? And need a free, all right, need a free AI text to audio software. Use this tool now. Okay, cool. So now I can hit add and then watch this. Okay, so now we have our logo up top. Let me delete this. I'm going to say free AI AI text to voice app. All right. Just add your open AI API key, and instantly get back your MP3. This software tool was coded. What up, Ismail? What up, man? Ismail coded by AI inside myAIteam.com. Okay, so this is going to be a free little tool that you guys could use and have. Okay, so I'm going to hit this, and I'm going to say delete, and I'm going to say delete these blocks, because I only want this last block. All right, cool. Let's add another widget. Let's add a container. Let's add a little spacer, because I like spacers, at the bottom. Add a little spacer, add a code block. All right, we want this little code widget. Boom. All right, and we're going to paste over our iframe. Remember how we made this little iframe? All right, so do we have a style, border, dash, groove, rigid, onset, dashed? I mean, maybe we do a border. I mean, I don't like borders. All right, whatever. Save code. All right, so now we have here, we go into here into add the code widget. We'll grab this code widget, paste this thing, remove this style border solid. Baby. All right. Style border solid. You'll see it pop up in a few seconds. If all is well. Yep, there it is. And we could bring this space down. All right. Give this code some room to really open. All right, cool. So now the code is there. Let me hit save and we'll preview. So you guys can see how I have that editor still there. The editor is only visible since I am logged in. Otherwise, nobody ever sees it. So, all right, voice to text app. All right, looks good, but we need to make it a little bit different. We kind of have something on here. All right, so let's make it where we grab the code. Oh, I think actually I know what's happening. Is this code needs to make it where it goes all the way down to like 1,000. Bam. There it is. All right. So now we can drag this back. Any second now. Cool. Text to speech. All right. Bring this up a little bit. Super simple. All right. Let's see. If I preview now, well, here's what we could do is I could open up this website in like a incognito tab, I guess, right? And then, all right, any second now. Any second. All right, I don't know why I didn't know. Did it give up on me? There it is. All right, free AI to text to voice. Just add your OpenAI key and instantly get back your MP3. The software tool was coded by AI. Nice. All right, cool. Then you can convert. Let's check. I love that it remembers my API key based off of like me as a user. Okay, so if I hit Onyx, Onyx was a cool voice. Convert. Does it work? Woohoo! All right, I dig it. Okay, cool. So if anyone wants to check out this little app software that I coded up on this call, you guys can check it out right here. Link in the description in the little like tag. I just dropped it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this stream. And yeah, cool. What'd you guys think? Drop it in the comments below if you guys like it. Tell me what you guys make with the little text to audio. Love you guys. Talk soon.